So credit repair in Canada is basically removing your negative and inaccurate accounts from your credit reports. You guys have two different credit bureaus. You have Equifax and you have TransUnion. So sometimes you guys can have charge-offs, collections, public records like a bankruptcy that's on your credit reports. You guys can work to remove those accounts from your credit reports so that they're no longer showing, and the companies will no longer see those or even know about those accounts. So that's what credit repair essentially is. Now, I showed you guys previously this form here. You guys can send in this form to start removing accounts. This is just an Equifax form. I also give you guys a copy of a free dispute letter to start removing those accounts. You guys can send that letter into Equifax and TransUnion. And when you send that letter into Equifax and TransUnion, you basically telling them to remove those accounts from your credit reports. So definitely you can send in this form here, or you can go ahead and send that letter and have them remove the accounts from your credit reports. But that's essentially what it is. It's just removing like certain accounts. Like this is the bankruptcy, collection, judgments, consolidated debt, and debt recovery is other accounts that you guys can definitely work to remove. Let me go back so you guys can see like the different accounts. So this is the Equifax website. You can start a dispute. Credit repair, you can do it online. So you can file a dispute online, which I do not suggest at all. And also you can do a mail dispute. Now, these are the different things that you guys can dispute. So if you guys have like public records, I got family enforcement on here also. If you guys have inquiries, say if you have some unauthorized inquiries, you guys can remove those. Secured loans, if you got a lien or something like that, you can dispute that. Your account, you can dispute the balance, the rating, the date paid. Any type of alerts like fraud, you can dispute. All these different things are added on there. So definitely these are like the different things that you guys can dispute. And disputing means that you want to have it removed from your credit report. So that's what credit repair is. You're fixing your credit so that you're removing those negative things so that you can have the positive things reporting, and that should boost your credit score up so that you can be able to go ahead and get your house, get you a car, and just get credit cards and loans if that's something